Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about a coffee that I found online. A friend, Darren Field, shared this with me one evening, and it's a really great coffee. This is a coffee by Axhead. Jesse is the owner, and Jesse is a retired military vet, and he has a little shop that he brews and makes this coffee for you guys. And today we're just gonna enjoy a fresh cup of coffee, and this one is one of my favorites. This is the Brazil. It is a medium grind in here, and it's a medium roast. And if you guys could smell this, I mean, it just smells phenomenal. And one of my favorite things about this coffee is just how fresh it is. When you actually feel the grind, you can tell it's a high quality bean. What we're gonna do is we're just pressing this coffee. It's sitting in here for roughly about 2 minutes. We just boiled it with the fire maple boiler, and we're gonna enjoy a really nice cup of coffee. And what I'd like for you to do is take into consideration, you know, how hard he works and supporting a family through what he loves after coming out of the military, which is his coffee. And I want you guys to order a bag for yourself and share it with your friend, just like my friend did with me. And what I'd like to do is, you know, continue to share the love, as I say, and share the joy of coffee with others. I'm going to make sure that I get some coffee out to some guys at camp here today. If you want to try this coffee out for yourself, make sure to click in the description down below. And like always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next.